In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the real battery health on your iPhone. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, if you want to check the battery health on your iPhone, right, what I'm going to do right now, gradually head over to your settings, right? Click on this, scroll down, click on this battery. Right here, you're going to see the battery percentage is low power mode, the battery health and charging, right? Click on this, the battery health and charging. Once it has opened up, you're going to see the maximum capacity, right? Phone batteries, like all rechargeable batteries, are consumable components that become less effective as they age. Now, if you look right here, our phone real battery health is currently 93%, and yeah, it's still a very good sign that our phone battery is still healthy, right? So that's basically how you can check your real battery health on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the very next video.